I'm Jens Thielmann. I work as a product manager for CO2 incubators at BINDER in Tuttlingen in Germany. The CB170 is a CO2 incubator. It's aimed at cell culture labs. These cell culture labs can be in the field of medical research, drug discovery. They are dealing with fastidious or undemanding cells, and they are dealing with embryonic stem cells, primary cells, with sophisticated or standard applications. The CO2 incubator provides perfect growth conditions to make the cells happy. The cleaning and the decontamination is very simple and straightforward to make the researcher happy. And finally, there's a low cost of ownership to make the budget relaxed. So this CB works without a fan in the inside of the chamber. That has the consequence that there's not a high air velocity inside and that airborne contaminants are not being distributed into the cell cultures. That's one important difference. Another one would be we have a new system which is called dual door. So the customer, the user has the choice to open both doors at once or one door after the other. And finally, we employ an infrared absorption CO2 sensor, which is on the one hand sterilizable, but it can be removed from the back, so the serviceability is great of that part. So the main struggle of all cell culture labs around the world is the risk of contamination. The BINDER CO2 incubator has an anti-contamination concept, which is not a mixture of technologies, whatever is possible, but it's seamless, it belongs together, it matches together, and it consists of a deep-drawn inner chamber with coved corners, without a rack, without fixtures, and it also consists of a sterilization cycle which is possible at the beginning of an experiment. You can do the biological reset and get everything clean at the beginning. And then, of course, we have a humidification system which has a humidity limitation. So you have dry inner walls and don't promote contaminants. So the top 3 reasons why a customer should choose that incubator would be the perfect parameters, the perfect growth conditions in terms of temperature, CO2 concentration, and humidity. Another reason would be the seamless anti-contamination concept, so that the likelihood of contaminants is very low. Another reason would be the large inner volume at a small footprint and a short height, so that in a stack of 2, the upper incubator can be operated conveniently. Over the past 2 decades, the BINDER CB has become a synonym for hassle-free, contamination-safe cell culturing. Now we have made the CB even better.